747.
Yeah, cargo.
Landing in action. There's Emirates, right there. Miami International Airport. Lovely.
This is a way to Key West.
Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Trosat here. Welcome back to another video. Waking up to a sunny day as always. It's called a Sunshine State for a reason. Today we are going to be diving into the world of alligators. Yes, we'll be driving to Alligator Farm. But before we enter into their world, we gotta fuel up, fuel our cars. No, that was not my Corvette. We passed by a very interesting place. Is anybody else getting a GTA 6 trailer vibe here?
Data Homestead Correction Place. Yeah, it is. Correction and institution.
So here we are, Alligator Farm. It's all swamp, Everglades. Let's see how this goes. We are an alligator, whatever, farms. Everglades Alligator Farm. Welcome to Everglades, Florida.
The orange color lizard. Bro,
Geico?
it's right behind this thing. Oh yeah, there it is. There's another one, but there was an orange one as well.
I don't see it.
It went down.
Do you see a croc? Oh wait, I do.
Where?
Over there.
That's not a croc.
That is a croc.
Really?
Yo, let's
Guys,
go.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that is a
It's
croc.
amazing. Let's see more crocs. Anaconda. Let's go. This name right here is getting an update. What's up? Hey, how you doing? Average Bronx? Sight? Oh, it moves. Oh no, it sits down. You lazy piece of meat. This guy's crazy. Yeah, I thought alligator was about to attack me or something. But fasten your seatbelts because this ride is about to get fast and extremely epic.
It was awesome. What are those raisins?
Now, there's over 300 alligators in here. They're all over the age of 20. They don't eat very much, so we feed all of them once a month. So this is just going to be a snack. Now, in case you've never been to McDonald's before, this is what a dead rat looks like. They only react when the food makes noise. So, if you guys have any noisy kids, make sure you keep them close. I'm just joking. Now, I'm going to throw the next piece of food into the water. Is that going to make more sound? Yes, because water is loud and obnoxious, like every person in my family.
Oh man, look at that.
Kidding. Little arguing over the food, just like they bite really hard. This is why you don't ever try to touch one, because if they just accidentally bite you a little bit, there goes your arm, your leg, or your life. All of which are pretty important. Just ask my coworker Peggy. Sorry. All right, now I'm going to show you that there's different personalities of alligators. We're going to show you the nice one first. She's got her mouth open right here. Her name is Patience, because she will sit there forever, and she will try to bite me a little bit, but it's not bad. Okay, so watch.
Oh, wow.
Not bad. Okay, she got her mouth open, she's waving it around, but she doesn't really try to rip my arm off. Now, I'm going to show you a female that is absolutely bad to the freaking bone. She's right there. So her name is Troublemaker. Okay, watch this. Oh, is this your boyfriend? Jeez Louise, if they have any kids, I don't want to be anywhere near them. Sometimes she'll try to climb up over the fence, but he got on top of her, so she couldn't do that. Now, does anyone have a question about my mental health? I'm sorry, alligators. No questions?
Yeah.
What's your question?
How do you feed them without getting bit?
How do I feed them without getting bit? You gotta be very quick, careful. That's why I tell kids, especially, for you guys, if you were to ever try to feed a gator and you do something wrong, that could be literally the very last decision you ever make in your life. Don't ever try to copy this stuff. The gators are cool animals, but I don't want you to, try to feed them like that.
Look at that. That's a big animal, man. You know where that guy goes? Whatever he wants. So.
He's the alpha.
Yeah.
Now, alligators bite with a lot of power, but they don't open with a lot of power. Just one person can hold the alligator's mouth closed. But then someone has to come in and tie the mouth. And this is how young men would bring alligators home alive for their family in the Everglades. This is the only big animal for meat you could eat. So who's gonna come in and tie up the mouth? Very interesting stuff. Now, he's trying to back up and eat my hand, shake it around, get my hand in the mouth. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to rest my head on the edge of his open mouth. So if you guys enjoyed what I did for you today, on your way out, feel free to show your appreciation. I greatly appreciate you guys. Again, my name is Tyler, and this last trick is called the face-off. I know I say all the time, don't try this at home, gators are dangerous. They're not mean. Some of them are, but not all of them. Most of them are pretty chill. Alligators, they run away from people. You guys can go kayaking in the Everglades, you can go hike, just don't touch one. Or splash in its water, and they're not gonna come after you. Unless it's a mom protecting the babies. You know what the mom is gonna do before she chases you? Hiss at you. She doesn't want to chase you down away from her babies. You know why? Because then they're unattended. So she will chase you if you nick her. I've told you all this. We're going to let you hold the baby. Not that one. Okay, a baby alligator.
Yo, what's up?
New member of the family.
New member of the family. How's it going, Gator? Yeah, what an adventure. If you're ever in South Florida, Everglades is a must. Tyler was a great showman, very knowledgeable.
I love Florida.
And I love Florida too, Trorstat. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. In the next video, I'll be visiting Vinwood, trying out Apple Vision Pro, revisiting South Beach, before making my way back to New York. So, stay tuned for that. And as always, see you in the next video. Tros out.